Hi, welcome to Breathe English. Today we will learn the verb to have. I have a pencil. I have a book. You have a book. She has a book. He has a book. It has a red cover. We have books. You have books. They have books. Okay, let's do some practice. I have a red car. You have a white dog. She has blonde hair. He has black hair. It has gray fur. We have pink dresses. You have backpacks. They have computers. How do we make questions with have? We will use do and does. Do I have a book? Yes, I do. Do I have a pencil? Yes, I do. Do I have a dog? No, I don't. Do I have a boat? No, I don't. Do we have books? Yes, we do. Do we have dogs? No, we don't. Do you have a book? Yes, you do. Do you have an iguana? No, you don't. Do they have books? Yes, they do. Do they have pink hair? No, they don't. Does she have a book? Yes, she does. Does she have a pen? No, she doesn't. Does he have a book? Yes, he does. Does he have a calculator? No, he doesn't. Does it have a red cover? Yes, it does. Does it have gold letters? No, it doesn't. Oh, let's open some fan mail. Dear Erica, do you have blue eyes? Yes, I do. Dear Erica, do you have curly hair? Yes, I do. Dear Erica, do you have $1 million? No, I don't. Not yet. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please click subscribe or like the video. See you soon.